guys, good morning and welcome back on my channel. Today is Saturday, day before first Sunday, Advent Sunday. So we are making the Advent wreath for our house. So this is how we are doing it here in my shop. Okay, make a circle. Make my circle here. Getting ready for everything. So materials here, and it's all greeny, plus decorations, plus everything what I need for a Advent wreath. Okay, so the wreath symbolize for us Christians many things. First of all, it's 4 candles, means it's 4 weeks before Christmas, when it's the most important, quite an important day for us Christians, and here we are. So first I want to put that piece here where I will handle all greenies. Yeah. Some parts I bought it in a dollar store, which will be used here. Okay, now I want to set this one here in it, which looks pretty okay. So I'm going to staple it underneath, in the middle. Now I will try to put a nice green wrapped around here, and I should go clockwise, like okay. Yeah, that was too big. Now I just slide it in here, hold it in place nicely. Is this clockwise? Yeah. Okay. Change and switch different green. Alberta spruce. Right. Now again, silver spruce. Okay, what I forgot, and we know it's the pine cones, and I have it here nearby on this big tree. Let me pick it up. Just going to I thought first I will use the glue stick to hold it, but I think no needed. It holds inside in between branches pretty nicely and tight, so I don't need to put any glue in here. Okay. Right here. Here. And we are pretty close to finish my Advent wreath. Okay, 4 because we know it's 4 weeks before Christmas, and one is pink. Pink is color for joy. It's last week before Christmas, and joy and hope. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Let me bring it up here a little bit. Look for 2025 Advent season.